Hey, hey. Here's another offering by Rite Edge. Nice little fixed blade. Got a Skinner blade here. The only thing is, I wear it from time to time. It's one of my normal carries. It just rides a little high. So this could go into your side. But other than that, I love it. It's affordable. And it's beastly. As a friend of mine said, it's be a good one just to throw in the truck. Just to have around. It's got some weight to it. That's what I'm saying. So that's Rite Edge, affordable fixed blade Skinner. Yep. Packy Von Stan does it again.